Lower the slit lamp to the bottom of its travel in order to fit the shield in place. Place the shield slightly above the bottom of the slit lamp so there's some room, and then draw a circle around where the ocular is going to fit. You can cut it out using scissors or a razor knife as shown, and then place the shield into place by putting the oculars back on the slit lamp. The bottom may stick out and may be flexible as shown here in this example. It can be fastened using a zip tie or, as shown here, using a suture. Next, remove the film coating the shield itself. You can do this earlier if you prefer, but you risk scratching the shield itself. To use a template design, print out the template to scale, cut it out, and then paste it with tape to the sheet that you're going to be using. After that, you can trace the outline of it. Cut it out with a scissors and razor knife, and then remove the outer plastic coating.